All right, guys, check this out. This is a single cap, gold tooth, with a two-tone diamond dust finish. Now this one here is 10K, solid gold, and it is custom fitted for perfect fit. And it is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You get free shipping in the US. You also get a free mold kit. You get a perfect fit. This is custom fitted to your teeth only, so you get a nice snug fit. Removable single cap tooth grill. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Free shipping, free mold kit, quality service. Thank you for watching. And as always, you'll have a good one.